like this, say, ooh, I got 99 problems singing ba ba ba. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time.
Hello friends, welcome to Medification. Today I am going to discuss with you some study space tips and time management for your studies, which will be helpful for all the students who are preparing for their exams. So let's get started. This is my study space where I sit and study. Okay. So we know that in this lockdown period we are having our online classes. So after online classes and all, we don't want to study for whole day, right? It's not possible also. So if you study, if you make a time for your self study, for example, you are making 2 hours for your self study, then only you have to utilize that time in a proper way. Okay, for example, see here I have made a routine that 2 hours, in 1 hour I will study microbiome and the chapter will be UTI, and the next hour I have to study pharma and the chapter will be GI system. So you have to make specific routine for your daily study schedule. Okay. See, while studying you may also feel hungry or thirsty. So always keep a jar of biscuit and a water bottle beside you so that you can utilize it. Sometimes while studying for 2 to 3 hours we feel bored. So what can we do at that time? We can involve ourselves in our favorite activities like sketching and singing for at least 5 to 10 minutes. It's of no problem. Like for example, I spend time with my friends. See, these are my friends. I spend time with them for 5 to 10 minutes while studying. So you may also spend time for, so you may also give time to yourself by involving yourself in your favorite activities for 5 to 10 minutes at least. Then you will get the same energy. Then you will get back the energy for study. See, it's very important for you to keep your mobile data off while studying, because if you are studying for 2 hours, then the notification from an app can easily distract you. So it's better to put off the mobile data. See, always try to motivate yourself. Like for example, this year you want to score 90%. Then you write it in a piece of paper and put it in front of your board so that you can see, and this inspires you. Like for example, you may also write a few quotes which will be helpful for you. Like I am writing, and you can stick it in front of you so that it motivates you daily. This is very important. You may also keep a dustbin beside you. Invest in buying a good study lamp or study in a well lighted area. Okay?